Hi, today I'd like to show you part 2 of how I play Stairway to Heaven. If you haven't learned part 1, you might want to go and find it. I'll put a link into it down below. You might want to learn that first. I'm tuned to G, G, D in the middle, high G. I'm going to insert a clip here of me playing the second half, and then I'll show you what I did. So I start off up here 10, 8, 10. And I do a down, up, down, down. Like that. Then the next chord is 0, 8, 7. Then the next chord is 0, 10, 10. And then 0, 10, 9. 0, 10, 9. And then I do a quick 1, 2, 3, 10. I have my little finger on the high string. Now that's keeping it really simple. If you want, you can put your first finger down there, or you can even fake it with an open string. But I've kept the tab real simple. It'll sound good just like that. So down, up, down, and then I think it's up, down, up. Up on the 10, 9, 0. Okay, then we go back to that chord I started with. And there's the second chord, which is 0, 8, 7. And then we go up here and play 10 and 12, 10 on the first string, 12 on the middle string. Play those two notes, and then hit the open string. And then we go 9 and 10, open string, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. A little slower maybe. And then you repeat all of that. So after you got that down, you go into the next part. 0, 2, 3 on the low string. Then you arpeggiate across. Arpeggio means broken chord. So 3, 3. Then you go down to 2, and I use my third finger here. So that's 2, 3, 3, 3. And then you play a minor arpeggio. It happens to be G minor because we're tuned to G. 0-3 on the low string, 0 on the middle, 0-3-0 on the high string. So I'll play that for you. Slow. Like that. Then we do that again. Instead of playing the middle string, we jump up here to 8. Play the whole 3 strings, and then we play 7-8-7. Works no matter how you look at it. There. So I'll play that for you. Okay, and we do all that again. And then we do a variation. Full arpeggio. We come up here, and that's 0-10-9. You just hit it once. I did a kind of flourish there. I guess it's kind of a flourish. I have it written just as once, but all right. Full arpeggio, or so now we're going to go holding that chord. We're going to add our little finger on the high string with a 10. 1, 2, 3, 10. 10 again, and then 9. So we'll go down here to 3, bar right across. We'll use a little finger. So that's down, up, down. And we add our little finger there. Down, up, down, up, down again. And then we put our first finger on the 2nd fret of the low string, middle finger on the middle string on the 3rd string. We can add our 5th finger again. Start off with the 3 though. Like that. And there's all sorts of room for variations. This is all an approximation because there's only 3 strings. And he's got several guitars recorded and all sorts of stuff going on. So it's really, you know, if you feel you should strum it any different way or anything like that, by all means, please do. And this time it goes right to the does this again. 3, add the 5. 2, 3, 3, add the 5. Then we're into the chords for the solo. Very simple. 12, 10, and 8. You just do that as long as you want. And in between there, those X's are mutes, and they're just down, up, down, up. So you do that until you're really, really tired of it. There's a lick in there I didn't put in the tab, but when you get down to the 8, you can actually go 8 on the low string, then 12, then 8 on the middle string, and 12 on the middle string, 10 on the middle string. Oh, forgot the last 8. If you want to put that in. Sounds a little thin if nobody else is playing. I usually just end on that last chord, the 8s. And then I just go back and do the intro again, which if you're just watching this and you haven't learned the first part, might not be aware of, but it's very simple. Anything like that will work. Have a great day.